Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a very specific but essential item for many home theater setups. The RAV336 WT92720 replacement remote control. This is designed specifically for several popular Yamaha AV receiver models. If you own a Yamaha RX, the 700, RX, the 700BL, RX, V667, RX, V667BL, or HDR 6063, and your original remote has gone missing, stopped working, or perhaps seen better days, this Dolomite replacement is made for you. The absolute best part about this particular remote, and frankly, what makes it so appealing, is the simplicity. According to the information provided, there is absolutely no programming required. You simply need to install two 1.5V AAA alkaline batteries, which, just a heads up, are not included in the package, and it should be ready to control your compatible Yamaha receiver right out of the box. This plug-and-play functionality is a huge convenience, especially if you're not technically inclined or just want a quick fix to get your system back under control. Looking at the remote itself, it comes in a standard black color, which should blend in nicely with most home theater components. The description mentions it has an ergonomic design. This suggests it's shaped to fit comfortably in your hand, making prolonged use during movie nights or listening sessions more pleasant. While a manual isn't included, the layout is typically intuitive for a replacement remote, often mimicking the original or using a standard Yamaha button configuration. So most users should find it familiar and easy to navigate. It's designed to support just one device, your specific Yamaha AV receiver. This keeps things simple and focused. It's built for home theater use, controlling the core functions you'd expect: power, volume, input selection, menu navigation, and likely specific audio modes or settings depending on the receiver model. The fact that it requires no setup implies that the necessary codes for these specific Yamaha models are pre-programmed and ready to go, ensuring compatibility with the listed units. So if you're in need of a replacement remote for one of the listed Yamaha receivers, the RX, the 700 RX, a 700BL RX, V667 RX, V667BL, or HDR 6063, this Dolomite RAV336 WT92720 appears to be a straightforward, no-fuss solution. Just remember to have those AAA batteries handy. Its main selling point is definitely that instant usability without any complex setup process. It aims to get you back to controlling your home theater system quickly and easily, providing a simple and effective replacement for your original remote.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.